Hi everyone, welcome back. Now, these are the keycaps from ASRock. Now, if you did not know it yet, click the above. I'm currently managing ASRock for Malaysia, and as always, I have ASRock motherboards with me. One thing I did not know is that they have keycaps. They did not mention it on their product page, and I have not heard anyone talking about it at all until one day I was rummaging through the box contents and I saw one, then open another and another and another. Well, the first one I saw was a Phantom Gaming, of which it's on my Z490 PG Riptide motherboard. After that, I checked out the rest, like the Steel Legend, the Extreme, and the Tai Chi. They're all there. Now have a look. So this one over here is the one for the Tai Chi. Next here is the one for Steel Legend. And over here, this one is for the Extreme. And last, we have for the Phantom Gaming. Now, I don't know if there's any more. Like, for example, is there any more for, let's say, OC Formula? However, these are the models that I have with me, and these are the keycaps I can see. They are okay. You can't expect them to be artisan keycaps. You know, those type that cost like 15, 20 US or more. These are just freebies. So the quality is okay. The print, the print is a matte print. I wouldn't say it's of the greatest of quality, but I guess it's something good to have as well, as in part of the package. It's a neat thing to own. Like for example, this Extreme keycap here works pretty much very well with purple colored surfaces, while the Steel Legend one here, as you can see, works with, let's say, white, gray, brownish, whatever keyboard theme you have. I unfortunately do not have any keyboards that can match with the Tai Chi or the Phantom Gaming yet. However, if I do have, I certainly would have shown you now. The surface is matte, so when it comes to, let's say, matching the surface with my keyboards, which are mostly like ABS, PBT, and the surface is slightly different. However, that's well, I would say just slightly mismatch of the surface. However, it's a nice touch. Well, if you are an ASRock board user, especially for the Z690 series, do check it out. In fact, one of the keycaps I saw was in the B660 Steel Legend packaging. So typically, if you're on the latest ASRock boards like the Z690 and the B660 series, do check out the box content. You'll be in for a surprise. That's all for this one. Well, ASRock, you guys did a good job for this one. When I say ASRock, you guys did a good job for this one, I'm kind of like talking to myself. Well, that's all for this coverage. So, ASRock keycaps, interesting stuff to have. I'm glad to have 4, and who knows, I'll be making keyboards for all 4 of them. That's all from me for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful and informative. If you like more of this kind of content, do check out the videos at the side and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.